All right, coming to you live from OSCON and the Cloud Summit. I'm Barton George, and I'm here with Neil Levine. How are you doing?
I'm doing very good, Barton, thank you.
Well, now, you are at Canonical, and you are VP of?
VP of the Corporate Services Division, so that's the part of Canonical which deals with our cloud and server products.
So what's coming up in your cloud and server? You've just done you just released your long-term support release.
That's right.
And your next release is what, and when is it due?
So the next release is 10.10. So that comes out. It's actually coming out on 10.10.10. We're bringing up our schedule a little bit to get that nice round number there.
Very binary too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Geeks will love it.
Absolutely. So there was we have a fixed cadence, but it was too good an opportunity not to adjust it just a little bit to get that release. So that'll be codename Maverick Meerkat. So we've just released the LTS, which is our long-term support edition. This will be one of our interim releases, but it's the interims come out for both desktop and server. So there's a bunch of new stuff in there as well.
So specifically, what types of things are you looking to, on the server side and the cloud side, are you looking to put in?
So we've obviously had a lot of work put into Ubuntu Enterprise Cloud over the past. We've had now 3 releases of that, and we put a lot of time to integrate the Eucalyptus software to make that easy to deploy, easy to scale the technology there. So for the next release we're doing more effort on that, but also we're moving up the stack a little bit. We're beginning to put that sort of deep integration and slickness of deployment into other applications. So we're in conversations with various providers, but things like Hadoop and these kind of NoSQL products, which a lot of cloud deployments are using as their applications. That's where we're putting the effort into for the next release.
Can you talk a little bit about that? Both NoSQL and Hadoop are so hot right now.
Right, absolutely. So I think a lot of the past year has been enterprises trying to understand what do I use the cloud for. It's kind of interesting ideas. What's the actual use case? And I think the first one they've come across is data processing and data analytics. They've got so much data, and actually there's a lot of value to be had from mining that, either from a revenue or a cost point of view. And so this has come from a lot of the hyperscale companies like Facebook and Google, Yahoo, have produced a lot of this technology like Cassandra and Hadoop. And so I think businesses are beginning to use this kind of stuff now. We're trying to integrate those in so you can run those kind of applications on top of, whether it's in a public cloud like Amazon or in a private cloud using UEC. You get easy access to applications. You can plug them into the particular problem that you have.
And then beyond, I'm sorry, what kind of Meerkat was it?
Maverick Meerkat.
Maverick Meerkat. Beyond Maverick Meerkat, I'm sure you haven't released the new name because Mark probably hasn't thought it up
That's
yet.
Right. He sits down with a dictionary and he'll go through the N column in a couple of months from now.
But what are some of the things that you'd be looking at for the next release beyond that?
So we are putting a bunch of effort into actually making it easy to deploy software onto the cloud, and so this is not just a configuration management side of things, but actually that sort of interconnection between the parts of a cloud topology. So we're putting a lot of effort into that, and we have a project called Ensemble, which we're currently developing, which has had a little bit of a preview at the last UDS. We're doing some more work there, and I think for 11.04 and for 11.10 you'll begin to see us produce some of the tools which help you plug in all of these different applications, whether it's Hadoop or Cassandra or whatever, that helps them interoperate with each other, and that's kind of long-term focus that we're putting into our distribution.
Excellent. Neil Levine, thank you so much.
No problem at all. Thanks, Bob.